So continuation to the previous topic, we are going to discuss about issues in decision tree learning. Issues in decision tree learning. So one of the issue is overfitting the data. Overfitting and underfitting. So whenever we are trying to consider all the data values, that leads to overfitting. So this is the one of the problem we are going to face with the decision tree. And second problem is incorporating continuous valued attributes. So whenever we are going to have the continuous valued attributes, it is difficult for us to construct the decision tree. So I already told you, suppose the age is an attribute, so it is given with the individual values 21, 31, 41, like that. Then it is difficult for us to construct the decision tree. Then what we can do, we can convert the continuous valued attributes into discrete valued attributes like young, middle-aged, senior. So what we are doing here, discrete attribute is going to be considered for constructing the decision tree. And one more is handling training example with missing. So if any missing data is going to be faced, or if you are facing any missing data with any particular attribute, then it leads to difficult for us to construct the decision tree. And one more is different handling attributes with different costs. So generally whenever we are going to construct the attributes, so all the attributes are going to be at the same level, but sometimes in some cases what we have to do, so we need to consider some attributes at higher priority, some attributes at lower priority. So that is a different cost. So this is also one of the problems we are going to face for constructing decision tree. Which attribute we need to consider with higher priority, which attributes with lower priority, that we are going to have one more problem. And finally, alternative measure for selecting the attributes. So here we have seen what we have seen for constructing the decision tree ID3 algorithm we have considered. And whenever we are going to consider the ID3 algorithm, information gain we computed for each and every attribute. Using the information gain, we have decided which attribute is going to be placed at root node and which attribute is going to be placed at next level. So is there any alternative method for this information gain? That also we need to find out, and that also we need to consider. These are all the things which are going to be makes us complex the decision tree construction process. So that's it.